Hello guys, this is Liz. Today is a good day to repot some lilies, plant some perennial flowers, and maybe make a harvest. Hoping you have a wonderful day. Those are oriental lilies. These are Asiatic lilies. I'm going to finish planting those. The name of the lily is Tiny Comfort. This is equal parts of chicken manure and alfalfa meal. The new soil level is this portion after the first leaf. This is the first leaf, so here. This spring is quite windy. We're not getting rain but wind. Not nice. Yellow perennial snapdragons, beard tanks, red blanket flowers. Fertilizers I'm using are all-purpose triple 13 and mixture of alfalfa meal and chicken manure. That's how the root system looks like. I'm comfortable throwing in some mulch inside the hole for easy drainage. I'm sorry for the noise of the wind. The color of these three flowers are very attractive. I'm going to water them now. Let's see what we can harvest today. I have no idea what's the ideal size of the Pathy baby eggplant to harvest. I have been eating the strawberries from this bed. There's one. Is this twin? Not good.